Alright guys, just so you can tell how deep this is, I mean look at that. We have no plow, but it's up to, you know, almost there. So about halfway up to my knees. I'm thinking that's about 1.5 feet of snow. And it just keeps getting deeper over there. So I'm going to send Andre ahead to get the video camera set up so we can keep going down this very deep and very Colorado snowstorm covered road. When you're the first one to ski or ride on a mountain in Colorado, it's called first tracks because, well, you cut the first tracks. And today at TFL, we had an epic day of first tracks. Filming this F-150 review. Oh my gosh, this is fun. I can't even begin to tell you how cool this is. And this brand spanking new Volvo V60 all-wheel drive cross-country review. And as you can tell, we certainly took it cross-country. I'm gonna go where the road ends and beyond it. And I'm beyond it right now. I feel like I'm driving on a cushion of snow. This definitely could get high-centered here. This is very deep, and the Volvo is doing great. Look at that. No problems. No problems whatsoever. Very impressive. This is just a short preview of what you'll soon be seeing on both the fast lane car and the fast lane truck.
Dog.
You know what? I was absolutely worried about nothing. The only thing that got stuck was this huge smile on my face because today is just a beautiful, epic day.
Ben, come here.